Across West Africa, a silent revolution is underway. Burkina Faso, once exploited, is rising under Captain Ibrahim Traoré. 5 mega projects are reshaping the nation and inspiring Africa. For generations, this land's wealth flowed outward, leaving little behind. Now, the people themselves are reclaiming their destiny, building a future where opportunity is found at home. Let's journey through these monumental efforts, each a testament to a stronger, more independent Africa. Beneath Burkina Faso lies gold, a resource long extracted by outsiders. For years, raw gold left the country, its true value lost to foreign hands. Now, the nation's first gold refinery is rising, marking a new era of economic sovereignty. This facility will process gold locally, turning raw material into high-value bullion. The impact is profound. More revenue stays in country, funding schools, hospitals, and infrastructure. Thousands of skilled jobs will be created, empowering a new generation of Burkinabe professionals. By refining its own gold, Burkina Faso breaks free from neo-colonial dependency. The refinery's foundation is a symbol, a nation's wealth, finally building its own future. The gleam of gold will now reflect a bright, independent Burkina Faso. Despite abundant sunlight, Burkina Faso long suffered from energy poverty. Reliant on imported fuel and electricity, the nation's growth was stifled by power cuts and high costs. Now, the Energy Independence Program is harnessing the sun, building vast solar farms like Nagreongo and Kodeni. These projects electrify the nation, providing stable, affordable power for all. Rural communities gain access to light, irrigation, and refrigeration, transforming daily life. This shift to renewables breaks the grip of foreign energy markets and supports climate action. Every solar panel installed is a step toward national pride and self-reliance. Burkina Faso is proving that Africa can lead in sustainable development. The nation's future is now powered by its own natural gifts. A nation's strength lies in its connections. For too long, Burkina Faso's roads and railways were broken, isolating communities and stalling progress. The infrastructure rebuild is paving roads, building bridges, and restoring railways, uniting the country. The road from Kaya to Dori, once treacherous, is now a smooth lifeline for trade and travel. Revitalized railways link Burkina Faso to the coast, boosting exports and regional integration. Each new road and track is an investment in unity and opportunity. Rural communities are no longer forgotten. They're part of the nation's journey forward. As new paths are carved, Burkina Faso moves together toward a brighter future. Security is the foundation of sovereignty. Burkina Faso once relied on foreign military aid, leaving its safety in others' hands. The National Defense Industrial Project is changing that, building a domestic arms industry from scratch. Local factories now produce uniforms, gear, and ammunition, creating jobs and critical skills. This project signals that African nations can manage their own security. Burkina Faso is forging a new model of self-reliance and Pan-African cooperation. Each locally made boot is a step toward true independence. Despite fertile soil, Burkina Faso long depended on food imports and aid. The Agricultural Sovereignty Project is reversing this, investing in seeds, irrigation, and farmer training. New dams and canals turn arid land into productive fields, focusing on staple crops. Farmers now manage thriving commercial farms, feeding the nation and building pride. The goal transformed Burkina Faso into a regional breadbasket and net food exporter. Surplus harvests strengthen the economy and national security. The project nurtures true independence. Burkina Faso's future is grown by its own hands. This is the taste of freedom. Captain Traoré is building more than projects. He's building a legacy of hope and independence. This is the new Burkina Faso, strong, sovereign, and inspiring Africa. Each project is a foundation stone for a self-reliant state. The journey is just beginning, but the path is clear, paved by ambition and unity. Burkina Faso's story resonates across the continent, proving that true freedom is possible. The silent revolution in West Africa is a beacon for a new era.